Hello and welcome to Donna Amott Leisure in Hilton, Derbyshire. My name is Wendy and I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to start the video off on the inside of the caravan because it's a bit blowy outside. So this is a 2017 registered Sprite Pirouette Classic with a beautiful upholstery. We've got the Truma heating on board and an extremely comfortable lounge space. Obviously this goes into a double bed. We've got the pull-out bed base there, so easily transferable into a bedroom if required. So it is a full berth because soon I'll be showing you the bedroom to the rear that has an island bed. So luxury to this caravan. So on the offside we've got a fantastic kitchen, lots of worktop space that we always need, and we've got a Dometic three-way fridge freezer, so that runs off your electric, your gas and your battery. We've got a 3 gas hob and a separate oven and grill. These are like new inside, hardly been used. And the essential microwave, making the quicker cooker option. And we've got a solar panel, so there's your control unit for your solar panel that's on the roof. And we've also got a status television aerial up there. So you've got your habitation controls in the usual place above the door alongside the Truma heating. We have got a radio, that's in the pack, we don't leave them in the caravans. So that's basically the lounge kitchen space. Quite handy this because you can shut this off if you've got people sleeping the other end, and you can make this into a separate bedroom as well, so very versatile. So opening the door then, this moves on to the centre washroom. I like this layout because both sides of the caravan can utilise the washroom quite easily. You've got a sliding door to both sides of the caravan and a fantastic separate shower. We all love to have one of those. So through the sliding door then, left and right into this fantastic bedroom, giving you luxury island bed. His and hers wardrobes, above lockers, all LED lit throughout. And we've got a TV mounted here. So a fantastic layout. So now I'll take you to the outside of the caravan. Excuse the wind noise, it's a little bit breezier today. So a fantastic single axle. It's fitted with a motor mover, an Evolution motor mover. And you'll see we've got a gas barbecue point there, your 230-volt socket, and under bench or under bed storage with the external locker door. So to this side we've got the toilet cassette emptying, your water fill, your Dometic fridge vents there, and your gas locker. So a fantastic single axle 4-berth caravan in beautiful condition. Come along to our showground or get in touch with our sales team for further information. Thank you.